Let us now solve these two equations using the substitution method. Our first equation is 3x plus y equals to 6. And our second equation is 6x minus 8y equals to 12. We are going to call this as our equation 1. And looking at our second equation, we can see that 6, 8, and 12, 2 is common among them. What we need to do is we first have to divide 6x minus 8y and 12 by 2. We are going to multiply this by 1 all over 2, and whatever we do on the left must also be done on the right. We also need to multiply this by 1 over 2. 6x multiplied by 1 over 2, this will give us 3x minus 8y multiplied by 1 over 2, this will give us 4y equals 2. 12 multiplied by 1 over 2, this will give us 6. And this will now be our equation 2. And using equation 1, which is 3x plus y equals to 6, we are going to solve for y. Now, why are we going to solve for y? That's because y here has no numerical coefficient. It will be easier for us since there is no numerical coefficient for y. Again, we will solve y in terms of x. We will transpose positive 3x to the other side. But how do we do that? We will just subtract 3x on the left side and subtract also 3x on the right side. 3x minus 3x, this is equal to 0. We will bring down positive y, and this will be equal to 6 minus 3x. And this will be our equation 3. And using the substitution method, we are now going to substitute equation 3 to equation 2. Our equation 2, 3x minus 4y equals to 6. And instead of y here, we will now substitute 6 minus 3x. We will have here 3x minus 4 and multiply this by 6 minus 3x. And this is equal to 6. 3x and then negative 4 multiplied by positive 6, this will be negative 24, and negative 4 multiplied by negative 3x, this is positive 12x, and this is equal to 6. Combining like terms, positive 3x plus positive 12x, this will give us positive 15x minus 24 equals to 6. And we need to transpose or transfer negative 24 to the other side. How do we do this? We will just add positive 24 and add also positive 24 on the right side. And we will have here 15x equals to positive 30. To solve for x, we need to cancel out 15. And to cancel out 15, we will multiply the left side by 1 all over 15. Now, remember, whatever you do on the left must also be done on the right. We are also going to multiply this by 1 over 15. 15x multiplied by 1 over 15, this will give us positive x, and 30 multiplied by 1 over 15, this will give us positive 2. X equals to positive 2 is one of our answers. We will then substitute x equals to positive 2 to equation 1. Our equation 1 is 3x plus y equals to positive 6. Instead of x here, this will now become positive 2. And this will be 3 multiplied by 2 plus y equals to 6. And 3 multiplied by 2, this is positive 6 plus y equals to positive 6. And to solve for y, we need to transpose or transfer positive 6 to the other side. How do we transpose positive 6 to the right? We are just going to subtract 6 on the left, and remember, whatever you do on the left must also be done on the right. Subtract also 6 on the right side. Positive 6 minus positive 6, this will give us positive y, and positive 6 minus positive 6, this is equal to 0. Y equals to 0 is our second answer.